Hey, Fox. Hey, good morning, guys. A quick update what's happening on the farm here. It's a beautiful day today. Seems like the winter is almost over. Sun came out. It's like +5, I would say. Just walk around, show you guys what it looks like after winter. I cleaned up this driveway the day before yesterday, just so we don't get stuck. It's not much snow. It's really normally we have 2 or 3 times more snow than this. Need to go and check the cats and see how things are there. Hey, Fox, what's this? What's the squirrels? Go and get the squirrels. Go get the squirrels. He likes to chase the squirrels. Get the squirrels. Huh? Where's the squirrels? Show us where the squirrel is. Huh? Go get it. Go get the squirrel. Mouse. Come on, cats. Just want to check out here and clean up quickly, because in the winter we just come in here, feed them, but sometimes we make a mess and we don't have time to clean up. Hi, Kippy. Meow. Not Kippy, that's Lyric. Lyric. Hey, Meow. Did you lose your voice? Hi, Meow. Hi, Meow. Hi, Meow. Very old cats. I think, I'm not exactly sure, I'll have to ask my wife, but I think like 14 years old. She looks small, but she's old. They got food, that's good. They got water, and in here they have a heat lamp in the house. They can do their thing in there. Oh, this other one, Ginger. Hey, Ginger. Meow. Also very old. I'll be amazed if they make it through another year or 2. Anyhow, they have their little house there. Fox, did you get him? I have these dog houses out here for the dogs, but they don't use that. And there's a doggy door in the house. We've got an extension, so they prefer to be close to us. I should really ask around and see who needs a dog house, and maybe give it away. Nice dog house. Actually, this dog house, when my son was still younger, at their school they had project to build kind of things, and we asked the guys to build us one of these. Pretty good job. So it's got some wear and tear now over the years, but good solid house. The dogs enjoy in the warm weather, come out of the house. Over here, nothing to do here, except that side there. The cows break down the fence. I need to fix that up. And then a farmer friend of mine, he dropped his trailer here. Not sure what he's doing here, but it's his cows. So every now and again he comes in and do some stuff. I don't know. Well, makes him happy, so it's okay. I guess he wants to build something here. Just the hay for the cows. Moo! Come on, cows. Moo! Let's see if I can get them. Yeah, they'll come out as soon as I hear the grains. Give them some of these crunchies. It's like it's really for horses, but give it to the cows. They like that. Oh, there they come. Moo! And then we give them some grains or some oats. And they seem to like it a lot. So. Hey Moose. Hello. Okay, you have to move a lot. Move back a bit. There we go. This is the mommy and this is the baby from that mom. Oh, really? Bumped it out of my hand. I give them like 4 scoops every day. Just because they like it. And then I'm giving them some of these crunchies here on this side. Love the smell of cows. Mommy wants everything. Hey Moo. This one is not too friendly. And the rest of the feeder seems to kind of work. I'll just go and check the water. This fence, yeah, it's broken. My son reversed into it, the trailer. We're loading something. And these two is broken by the cows. Don't break my fence. This kind of works nicely. I had these bales out here, but they're kind of old hay, so I put new fresh ones out on these panels here, and that seemed to be kind of working, so they're happy, not complaining. Let's check the water. I had some problems with it once, but now it seems to be okay, nice and clean. Fresh water. This feeder's kind of work. It used to be, yeah. I think the farmer moved it when I wasn't looking. He's always out here doing things. So. This is the old hay. It's really sticky. Like the stems is really woody. Like that. Compared to my hay, I'll show you guys my hay. I think it's just softer on their palate, tastier, I would say. And this is mine. It's finer and it still smells like spicy. That's how I like it anyway. Out in the field, I'm not gonna walk out there. It's just snow. I've been lying on this stuff for a while now. I think it's decomposing and creates some heat. But this is officially their sleeping place. Just out of the wind. I need to still burn that stuff, the burn pile. Should do it while there's still snow on the ground. See if I can get around to it. And then as soon as these cow patties defrost, I'll clean up. Yeah, it's just like concrete now. It's solid. It's like, oh no, it's getting there. Hi Moose, do you like that? And my dog likes it as well. Fox, don't you get food? Close this up. And then I just fluttering around, clean up the workshop. Anyhow guys, this is what's happening at the farm at the moment. Stay tuned, I'll make some more videos when things start happening. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and thank you again. Bye bye.